Okay, so here's what just happened. I searched for the Google Assistant in the Google Play Store.
My fringe encounter you will see in full shortly was probably due to Google not counting on somebody searching for Google Assistant on the Galaxy Watch 4 in the Google Play Store on Saturday night. And yes, I certainly did that.
Okay, so here's what just happened. I searched for the Google Assistant in the Google Play Store, and then suddenly a message popped up on the site. I saw the little dot here, and then I went in. It says here in German. I don't know why it is in German, because everything is in English. On my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic LTE version, you can see here, the one I feature in all my videos, it says in German, I'm going to translate it to you, your Google Assistant. It says the date. You can see the date. Hopefully you can see this. Hopefully I'm not too shaky. I'm really excited. It says, hey, what can I do for you? I just don't want to say the name. And it says basically you can do more with the assistant. And here is what you can do. And it says basically calls, text, emails. And then it says what I have to do in order to do that. So I'm going to try this now and let you guys know what's happening here. Whoops, don't go away. Please stay with me.
So what I would usually do at this point, I would get my camera out, I would test and try everything for you. I would put it in good quality to make sure that I can really relay back and convey the message I have just experienced here. But this time I did it different. I just kept filming. So here we go.
Okay, so I don't have a proper camera with me right now. I've just done the other video here on my phone. I'm just going to try this with you guys here with me. So what does it say? It says, hey, sende eine Nachricht. Okay, you can send a message. Yes.
I obviously didn't realize that this is a message sent to me on my Galaxy Watch 4 from the Google Assistant, and sending a message back don't go anywhere really. But this is what happened after that.
Sending. I don't know where it's sending to, but it is sending. Something that just happened on here. So let me see. Let me just try. Hey Google. It's gone now. What happened? Where is it? What happened? No.
After I said the command, hey, nothing came up on my phone. I checked my phone immediately just to make sure that there is something or not something going on, but there was nothing on my phone. What really made me suspicious here is and was that the message I received on my Galaxy Watch 4 is in German, and the reason being is everything is in English. My whole systems, my operating system, my Google Assistant, my commands the languages are all set to English. Right after this, I went to the Google Wear OS help forum, the one I mentioned already, to see what has been posted, and I found the following post. I'm going to read this to you. And Michael is answering Mark, who said the following: adding my +1 for addition of Galaxy Google Assistant to Watch 4, it's not a lot to ask of two market-leading multinationals. Yeah, he's got the point here for sure. It's not a lot to ask to get this done, right? Michael said the following: Mark, I'm right there with you, awaiting the arrival of the next release of Google Assistant. The importance here is next release. He's mentioning specifically next release of Google Assistant, and this is not connected to the Galaxy Watch 4 at all. This is Google working on an improved version of the Google Assistant, basically the next release of that version. However, sometimes it's not about the amount of money capable for investing, but what it takes, adapt and enhance extensive foundational programming and priorities of different products, parties and jurisdiction it serves. And I suppose it has to be in line with local legislations when rolling out a new feature or improvements of the Google Assistant. Seems like simple projects are often far more complex than they appear. I would guess that they are moving as quickly as I can to release. I remain optimistic we will start seeing the benefits incrementally, imminently. I want to emphasize here on imminently. And this will also explain my fringe encounter last night. I especially waited the night to see what's happening. Is there anything else popping up next morning? And I can only repeat myself, the more vocal we are, the sooner it will be done. And I want to believe that our community is responsible for this push forward. But hey, let me know what you believe. It's not about me, it's about you. So you know the drill. Let me know in the comments below. But thank you for watching. Peace.